So now you created yourself a Discord server, it's time to protect it from spammers and auto spam bots. And in this video I'll be showing you how to protect it really easily. The first thing you have to do is join my Discord server, the link will be in the description. And after you get verified, you have to scroll down to bot stuff. After you go there, you have to type this command, exclamation mark, secure server, and after that this will pop up and you just have to follow the instructions, then you can protect your server. First thing you have to do is invite Carlbot and Dinobot to your server. So you can select these links and select the server. This is going to be tutorial. This is the name of the server and it lasts whether you're a bot or not. You have to verify and you don't have to worry about anything. It's completely safe. And next, so if you go to your server, you can see Carlbot just joined. The next thing you have to do is invite Dinobot. So that's authorized Dinobot too. This is also completely safe. You don't have to worry about anything. You just saw both of the bots just join the server and you can close those tabs. Next thing you have to do is create an unlocked role as a new lowest level role. Move Kala and Dine at the top of the roles list. So let's just create an unlocked role first. So that you have to go over here, select that, server settings, go to roles, and at this time you only have these three roles, everyone, Dinobot and Carlbot. Now we have to create, I'm just gonna name this unlocked role for now. You guys can name it anything else you want. So yeah, this is how it should be. And next you have to do is you have to move Carl and Dino to the top of the roles list. It was like that, so it's the same thing. You have to go there, so settings, roles, and you can see that Carlbot and Dinobot are over there above the other roles. Next you have to do is set the default everyone role will become locked role. You can just read that, you don't have to do anything. You have to enable develop mode, that will help us in later in the a few more steps. So the next one you have to set everyone to read messages, send unlock role to not read messages. So that's in the welcome channel. So this will be where your rules will be. You can go ahead and delete these messages. You don't want people to see those. So you can put something like rules and your first rule, second rule, and you can go on and put your rules, or you could create an embed using Carlbot. That's free, or Dinobot Premium. You have to pay for that. So the settings said we should make this of permissions. They can read messages. Save that. Then the unlocked role to not be able to read the messages. So that's done. Next you have to change your locked server channels. Go to permissions. You have to do the complete opposite in these. You have to not make them be able to read messages and make these roles be able to read the messages. So you can do the same for the voice channel. Oh, I accidentally connected to it. Permissions and everyone. It's not read messages, it's view channel. So everyone should not be able to view this channel, but unlocked role should be able to. So now that's done. Next you have to do is create the welcome message. You can create a Carl embed or Dino embed as I told you, and also you can use this got text formatting as reference. So you select that, it will take you to my channel and you can read this and create bold text, italic text, bold, italic, strike to highlight, and hidden text. And also you can combine them, large code block, small code block, and like that. And also I'll be adding more colored text to this, so you can use colored text also in your server. So let's go to both stuff. Next thing you got to do is pin the welcome message. For now, let's pin this. I don't want to create a whole new message. Let's pin that. So you can delete this message too. So this is now pinned. If you go there, you'll be able to see it. It's like there. We don't remove it. I accidentally did that. So next thing is you have to create the way that people to get verified. So you have to create a reaction role with Cardboard. So we have to go to Cardboard dashboard. You can type Carl.gg. That'll work. I'll post a link in the description. You can go through that. Manage service and this service tutorial. Then we do is reaction roles. You can scroll down over here to go to utility reaction roles. After that we have to create one. So I'm gonna create this using the ID of the message. So that's why we turned on developer mode before. So the way you do it is go to user settings, scroll down to appearance, and it'll be at the way bottom developer mode. Next you have to copy the ID, go to the and you have to change this to use ID and paste the ID you just copied, and the channel is welcome channel, and you can add any emoji you want. I'm just gonna add thumbs up because it's like okay. Then the role unlocked role, then this should be verified. Only our members there. We don't change any of these two, so that's it. You create that. Now it won't show up. You have to refresh this page, then it will show up over here. So yeah, then next you'll have to create a Dinobot custom command. So you have to go Dinobot dashboard. It's dino.gg. I'll post a link in the description for you guys. So let's go to manage service. It'll be at top there. It'll ask for you to log in using our Discord first. So after you do that, you can go to manage service and invite Dinobot. So we go to custom commands. You have to add a command. Let's just make it agree and delete silent. And do that exclamation mark role user space and then a plus sign and the name of the role which you are going to give. So the role name was, as I remember, it was unlocked role. Let's go back and see. So setting roles, yes, it's unlocked role. So you get that there, then you close it, and that's it. And that command should work. If we go to our this server, and you can see over here that we don't have any roles. If you can add the unlocked role, but we are just testing this out. If you react to it message, we got the unlocked role, so that works. Let's try typing agree. You have to put the question mark because that's the command prefix for Dinobot. Remember to put that before you use commands. Agree. So yeah, and we got the unlocked role. You can even test it out again. So we use both of these bots because sometimes uh, one of them doesn't work, and sometimes one of them goes offline. So that's why we have both of them. So they work all the time. So that's it for the video. If you want, you can select these links or to invite the call the website support server, and you can join, follow me on Twitter. Check my InfluxYT YouTube channel and InfluxWave channel. Also remember to represent me by typing T exclamation mark. You can just type this. I can't represent myself, so I'll just do that and show you. You cannot give yourself reputation. So that's it for the video. And thanks for watching. Peace.